All right, this is something called a ballistic pendulum. So this box gets blown up, traveling at some velocity. And so basically, the way you solve all of these kind of problems is you see that there are two types of problems here. What are they? This is a what type of problem? This when this ball is going in, getting thrown into a box. That is a box. It's a collision problem, right? So that is going to be PI equals PF. Then a box swings up to a max altitude, stops before it swings down. That is a what type of problem? Okay, you could argue it's two-dimensional motion. The problem is if we use motion, we have to use rotation, which you haven't learned yet. So think if something gets higher, starts down here, goes up here. Interesting. Saying all of the things, what if something gets higher? How does it change? So all of these questions are all these statements are good. You could use force. You could use all that stuff. It's just an energy problem. Right? It's like the kinetic energy it has here is equal to the potential energy it has there. You see what I'm saying there? So here you're going to have, I think this is a ball, right? So it's going to be the mass of the softball times the velocity of the softball. And then that sticks in the box. So it's going to be mass of the softball plus the mass of the box times the new velocity. Okay? Now, this is going to be 1/2 the mass of the ball plus the mass of the box times the velocity squared is going to equal the mass of the softball plus the mass of the box times GH. Right? See it? Now the question is, what is that? That's H. How much the box rose, right? And now this is where this gets fun, kiddies. So hold on. That's okay. We know theta is 30 degrees. So do you see that this right there, that is L cos theta? So then that means H is L cos theta. So H is L times 1 minus cosine theta. So that means I can take this and stick it in there. These masses cancel, and what are we supposed to find out? Oh, we're supposed to find the velocity here. So here. So out, we can solve this. Vs is equal to ms plus mb over ms times v. And then what is v equal? Right? From here, we see that v is equal to the square root of 2gl 1 minus cosine theta. And so then I can rewrite this as ms plus mb over ms times the square root of 2gl 1 minus cosine theta. And we're done. Ta-da! Now, just like yesterday,